I mean, it's like when this I was mentioning the other day in the Sunday satsang. There's one famous Muslim. He became a Vaishnava. He took initiation from Vallabhacharya's son Vitlanath about 400 years ago. His name was Ras Khan. Khan is a Muslim name, Khan, but Ras means Ras. So he was initiated in Nimbark Sampradaya, and he wrote a book of poetry in Brajbuli, and very sweet Brajbhasha. It's called Brajbuli, but it's Brajbhasha. And I mean, I'm not a language person, I don't know. But I wrote down some of the verses I wrote down. I haven't committed to memory, but I like reading them. And one that I like some of the meaning, I like very much some of the meanings of them. And one is that one Sakhi says, "Hey Radharani, hey Manini, you're going into Man," but the translation is not quite exactly right because I had it redone by somebody else. Because he says a half hour in the translation. He says, "Oh Radharani, you're going into Man, but don't stay longer than a half hour. Don't stay longer than 20 minutes. Don't hold your man more than 20 minutes. Otherwise, the universe will disappear. Krishna will disappear. Everybody in Vrindavan will disappear." That's what it says in translation. But the actual verse says, "Don't maintain your man for more than a few minutes." That's what it says, few minutes, because Krishna can't bear you being contrary or opposing to him more than a few minutes. That's a beautiful. It's really beautiful. Manini Mano, it's very beautiful. Raskan. And because Khan, the word Khan means, it's a Muslim surname, but also Khan means treasury. So it can be a totally Hindu name, Rasakan, can be a treasury of Ras. So he was a combination, he was like Muslim Hindu. I mean, he's really pure, not even Hindu, pure Vaishnava. Radharani Krishna Marshabur. So one other verse that he had was really nice. He said, one day Uddhava said to Krishna in Dwarka, Krishna said to Uddhava, he said, "Uddhava, do you know, see all these palaces, 16,000 palaces made of Vaidurya gems, and lapis lazuli, and rubies and diamonds, and diamond columns." Krishna had columns. The columns in Dwarka Palace are diamonds. And they're Surya Mani, Suryakant, they give off light. Diamond gives light, high quality diamond gives light. So he says, see all this? All of this opulence of Dwarka is not equal to one ball of gobar. It's not equal to one ball of gobar in Vrindavan. Gobar means a ball of cow dung. So this is the glories of Braj. The Rasakan made it. He saw this in his vision.